everyone, how's everyone doing? So today also I am going to do a general card reading, but before we start the cards, I want to give you all a small tip which you all can do today evening after 6 o'clock. What you can do is take 9 garlics and crush it nicely, and take 9 red chilies. That also you can pound it in your mortar and pestle. So 9 garlics and 9 red chilies to be grounded in your mortar and pestle, and take 1 nutmeg. That also, if you can powder it, take 1 full nutmeg, and in your mortar and pestle, if you can powder that, take all these 3 combined together, and then do a nutara, or like anti-clockwise. You remove the unwanted energies from all the members of the house, and you can burn it outside your house, or you can take a cauldron, put a little camphor and put this and wash your, but you burn it outside the house. Now if you're staying in an apartment, then try doing this in the balcony. Wash your hands over there and then you come back, because I feel you all need this energy removal. Whoever has been following my readings and all that, I feel there's some sort of unwanted energies which is troubling you, which is irritating you and making you feel low. So I thought I should give in this tip which you all can try, and it will break the unwanted energies for you and for all the people in the house, and also the unwanted energies of the house, and bring in positive energies. So I hope you all liked it. Do let me know if you tried and what you felt. So let's see what the cards are saying. Okay, 2 cards have come out, so I shall pull both out. One is the Knight of Coins and one is the Two of Cups. A beautiful combination for a lovely day. Basically, financially, though you will be slogging, you will be trying to find out what is going to happen, how it is going to happen, but I feel the Knight of Coins is somewhere saying that you will be successful in arranging what you want, and you will be actually happy that you were able to arrange what you want in a very easy way. Like it looks tough, but it will not be tough, and you'll feel happy that you were able to successfully what do I say, manage it without any issues. And I feel that just go with the flow. Don't take it very close to the heart, though it will be a personal gain, though you will feel that the promise has been fulfilled. You might feel that this should have happened in your life before itself, and today it is too late to happen. But let me tell you one thing, it is never too late. I'm happy, you should be happy that at least today the finances came in your favor and things are working in your favor today, and somewhere the whatever was the pending or whatever was the issue which was there for a long time financially, that is getting sorted. So today something will get sorted and you'll feel very happy. And when it comes to the second card, basically you're going to raise the toast because you're happy that things have worked out. Now today I would say spend time with your family or spend time with your friends. Do things which you like doing. Today the color will be pink, and in the evening I already told you what you have to do. The color should be pink. Carry a clear quartz and a rose quartz with you, and have a beautiful and a blessed and an abundant day ahead. May you have a lovely time with your loved ones, with your family and friends, and always keep smiling. Thank you.